thee. I start making a deal, inspired by gravity. If I did wrong, I won't do it again, 'cause I can be sweet and good and nice. If I had enemies, they're friends. I hold on to my life with a grip of a vice. And I'm up on the airplane, nearer, my God, to thee. I start making a deal, la la, inspired by gravity. That little spot on the ground is my hometown. Like to call it my home, and it's sweet. I'd rather take a seat down there than a throne up here, up above 30,000 feet. And I'm up on the airplane. I never should have read my horoscope or the fortune on the bubblegum strip. Saying what you think won't happen will. Great thing to read before a trip on an airplane. Ooh, ah. Airplane, on an airplane, airplane, on an airplane, airplane, on an airplane, airplane, inspired by gravity, inspired by gravity, inspired by gravity, inspired by gravity. My home. Pilot says the big blue sky's like a swimming pool, big puffy clouds like a feather bed. But I'd rather have a real pillow underneath my head, lying in my bed, which is in my hometown, which is on the ground. I'll be making a deal. 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 I'll be making a deal.